With its striking appearance and intelligent technology, this stylish washing machine from KG is ideal if you're looking for a model to speed up laundry days. It has a 1400 RPM spin speed, an excellent A++ energy rating, and a large 10-kilogram drum. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, not only because of the extra capacity, but also because your clothes have more room to tumble for a better clean. KG's KG Detector uses clever sensors to weigh your laundry when you load the drum. This means the machine can work out just how much water, time, and energy it needs to use throughout the cycle to get your clothes clean. So, you can look after your clothes and save on your utility bills without having to lift a finger. This model has 3 rapid wash programs to choose from, so you can easily work your laundry around your plans. With a quick twist of the dial, the 14-minute cycle can refresh smaller loads that aren't heavily stained, and the 30-minute program can revitalize slightly larger loads. For dirtier clothes, the 44-minute wash gives a more thorough clean to those items in need of a little more TLC. If you're looking for a washing machine with intelligent technology to speed through laundry days, this black model from KG is an excellent choice.